Kitten struts back home. Oh, splashing rain on cobblestone. A gray sky weeps, but inside hums. Under the storm, a heart so young. A nest up high sways above. Fluttering leaves, a harmless shove. Yet stronger winds begin their dance as Kitten's eyes catch fate's advance. Oh, hold on, little birdie there. I'll climb and save you if I dare. In the storm so fierce and sky so gray, together we'll find brighter days. Soft rain traces Kitten's steps. Determined paws on bark they press. Higher it goes with every gust. A mission born of gentle trust. At last it reaches nest